We are Indian. As we know, the India is an agriculture land. The three basic fundamental needs of human being are food, water and shelter. The raw material for food is produced from the agriculture. So today we will see the something related to agriculture. As the plant are also living thing like human beings, they also need the water for the survival. Watering the plant is known as irrigation. There are various traditional and modern methods of irrigation. The traditional way of irrigations are moat, chain pump, dhekli, rahat and many more. And modern irrigation methods are drip irrigation, micro irrigation, center pivots and many more. Now the first method of irrigation is the sprinkler irrigation. The sprinkler irrigation is same like the natural rainfall. First the water is brought through this pipe, then through the pumping motor, then all sprinklers are connected to this main pipe. When the water reaches in each of the sprinkler, due to the water pressure, the sprinkler head is rotating in the circular manner like this. When it rotates like this, the water falls in the surrounding area. The area is covered depends on the size of micro. Distance between the two sprinkler is depends upon the area cover. Now we will see the drip irrigation. It is an efficient method and it saves the water. In this method also the water is bring through the main pipe while the pumping motor to the drip pipes. Drip pipe are the normal pipe which has the holes at specific distance. You can see this hole. The water comes from this hole drop by drop. The distance between the two holes is nearly 1 to 2 feet.